Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBheki Cele uthe kudingeka ukuthi kubhekwe izinto ezigqugquzela ubugebengu njengokungabi bikho kwemisebenzi kanye nobubha ukuze kuzongenelelwa ngokushesha enkingeni yobugebengu kuleli.
Look at the crime. If you go on the crime stats, most people or almost all people that they die and you pick up dead bodies, they're not from the affluent areas. They are from the distressed areas. They are from your Kailisha, Inanda, Kwamashu, Lusigisig, and all that. So even if you go, the state of emergency on the crime and corruption, especially the violent crime, will have to give the space to correct that situation. If not corrected, if people don't get jobs, if kids don't go to school, if houses are not built, if people are hungry, if people live under the bridges all the time, which means we'll be on the perpetual state of emergency. If it does come, it will have to give the space to improve the lives of the majority of South Africans.